Hello everyone, I'm Raki and in this session we are going to discuss question number 32 and it's on page number 94 of chapter number 3, classification of elements and periodicity in properties. So let's see what the question is all about. So the question is, predict the formulas of the stable binary compounds that would be formed by the combination of the following pairs of elements. Fine. So the first part of the question is lithium and oxygen, and we need to predict the formula of the stable binary compounds that would be formed by the combination of lithium and oxygen. See friends, you all know that lithium is an alkali metal. That means it belongs to group 1. Hence its valency would be 1. Fine. So lithium is an alkali metal group 1. It has only 1 electron in its valence shell. Therefore its valency is 1. Oxygen is group 16 element with a valency of 2. Therefore, formula of the compound formed would be Li2O, lithium oxide. So friends, to predict the formulas of the stable binary compounds, you need to know about the valencies of the particular element belonging to that particular group. Fine. So अब यहाँ पर मुझे लिथियम का वैलेंसी पता था. आई वाज नोइंग कि लिथियम के वैलेंस शेल में एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन, तो ऑब्वियसली उसकी वैलेंसी क्या होगी? 1 होगी उसकी वैलेंसी. सिमिलरली ऑक्सीजन इज अ ग्रुप 16 एलिमेंट, तो इसके वैलेंस शेल में वी आर हैविंग 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंस. सो द वैलेंसी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन वुड बी 8 - 6 व्हिच इज 2. तो अब देखिए ऑक्सीजन की जो मेरे पास वैलेंसी आई है इट इज 2 और जो लिथियम की मेरे पास जो वैलेंसी आई है वो आई है 1. हेंस द फॉर्मूला बाय द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दीज टू एलिमेंट्स लिथियम एंड ऑक्सीजन वुड बी Li2O. इट इज बेस्ड अपॉन टोटली द वैलेंसी नोन टू अस. अगर हमें वैलेंसी पता होगी तो ही हम इसका आंसर दे पाएंगे. Therefore, the formula of the compound formed would be Li2O, which is lithium oxide. Now, moving on to the second part of the question, which is magnesium and nitrogen. All of you know that magnesium belongs to alkaline earth metal, which is group 2. Hence, the valence electron present in magnesium is 2. Therefore, the electron present in the valence shell is 2. Hence, the valency of magnesium is 2. ठीक है. जो नाइट्रोजन है इट बिलोंग्स टू ग्रुप 15 एलिमेंट. ठीक है, विद वैलेंसी ऑफ 8 - 5. आप सभी को पता है कि जो मेरा नाइट्रोजन है, जो ग्रुप 15 मेरा एलिमेंट है, इसमें जो वैलेंस शेल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं नाइट्रोजन की? नाइट्रोजन के वैलेंस शेल में वी आर हैविंग 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंस. सो द वैलेंसी ऑफ नाइट्रोजन वुड बी 8 - 5 व्हिच इज इक्वल्स टू 3. So the nitrogen is group 15 element with a valency of 8 - 5 which is 3. Thus the formula of the compound would be Mg3N2 which is magnesium nitride. तो हमारे पास मैग्नीशियम की, हमें पता था मैग्नीशियम की वैलेंसी भी, हमें फिर पता चल गया नाइट्रोजन की वैलेंसी भी, and when we combine both of them we got a formula Mg3N2 which is magnesium nitride. Now moving on to the next part of the question. So the next part of the question is aluminium and iodine. So we need to predict the formula of the stable binary compounds that would be formed by the combination of aluminium and iodine. See, aluminium is group 13 element. Fine. So the valence electron present in its valence shell is 3 and the valency is also 3. ठीक है. While जो मेरा iodine है it is group 17 belonging to halogen family. Hence the valence electron present in valence shell is 7. So the valency is 8 - 7 is equals to 1. So I can say कि जो aluminium की valency है वो है 3 और जो valency iodine की है वो 1. So by the combination and by taking in regard the valencies of these of the two elements, the compound formed is Al3. Fine. So aluminium is group 13 element with a valency of 3, while iodine is a halogen group 17 with a valency of 1. Therefore, formula of the compound formed would be Al3 which is aluminium iodide. ठीक है. Moving on to the D part of the question which is silicon and oxygen. See, silicon as you all know is group 14 element with a valency of 4, while oxygen is a group 16 element having 6 valence electron in its valence shell. Therefore, the valency of oxygen would be 8 - 6 is equals to 2. ठीक है, and hence the formula of the compound would be SiO2. So I think the A, B, C and D part of the question is clear to you. Now I'll move on to the last part of the question. So the last part of the question is number E part is phosphorus and fluorine. Fine. So phosphorus as you all know, please अपनी periodic table में पास रखिएगा, बहुत काम आने वाली है और आएगी आपको हमेशा केमिस्ट्री के अंदर when you are studying about the inorganic chemistry. Fine. So phosphorus आपको जैसे कि पता होना चाहिए, it belongs to group 15. Hence, the valence electron in the valence shell of phosphorus must be 5. So the valency of phosphorus should be 3, or I can say it can be also 5. ठीक है. So phosphorus is group 15 element with a valency of 3 or 5, while fluorine is group 17 element with a valency of 1. कैसे? क्योंकि फ्लोरीन अगर ग्रुप 17 एलिमेंट है तो वैलेंस शेल के अंदर देयर वुड बी 7 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड हेंस द वैलेंसी वुड बी 8-7 व्हिच इज इक्वल्स टू 1. ठीक है. So the formula of the compound formed would be PF3 or PF5 depending upon the valencies which we have taken for the phosphorus. It can be 3 or it can be 5. Fine. Now moving on to the last part of the question which they have asked us about the formula of the stable boundary compounds that would be formed by the combination of element 71 and fluorine. ठीक है. अगर आपके हाथ में periodic table होगी तो element 71 जो है periodic table में it is lutetium, Lu. ठीक है. It has valency 3. तो जो lutetium element है periodic table में उसका एटॉमिक नंबर 71 है और उसकी जो वैलेंसी है वो 3 है. और फ्लोरीन का तो आपको पता ही है, इट बिलोंग्स टू ग्रुप 17 एलिमेंट. And the valency of fluorine is 1 and the valency of lutetium is 3. So the compound formed is LuF3. Fine. So I think now all the parts of the question, that means all the 6 parts of the question is clear to you. But still, if anybody is having any kind of doubt, then please do ask your doubts in the space given below. Well, this brings me to the end of the session and it's me Rakhi saying you all goodbye.